Hello, Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to discuss the chapter 3 questions from your book. It is from the class 7th. Yes, this is the story in which the king gave a thought to consideration that he would always succeed if he could find answer to his 3 questions. The 3 questions were: what is the right time to begin something? Which people should he listen to, and what is the most important thing for him to do? And for that he first he gave these questions to his counselors to think, and then when he failed to get the answers and everyone tried to give the answer, tried to convince the king by their own by their all efforts, then the king reached out to see a hermit who enlightened him with a real life experience. Okay, the king declared to give a large sum of money as a reward to the one who could come up with the answer. He received many different answers to his question. His first question was answered by the many wise men. A few of them suggested him to prepare a timetable. Others wanted him to leave everything and engage himself in looking after the works. Few suggested of having a council of the wise men to decide everything, and others said that some work need urgent attention. Some gave their opinion to look into the future by taking the help of the magician as well. In response to his second question, some wise men said that he should listen to his counselors, priests, doctors, or soldiers as well. For his third question, some said science and the religious worship should be highest priority. So in that way he got many answers, but he did not satisfied with any one of it. So however, the king was not satisfied with any suggestion, so he sought after the advice of the hermit, who is known in whole kingdom for his wisdom. I mean, he was known for his wise advices and all. The king visited him in a simple clothes and left behind his bodyguard and the horse. The hermit lived in a hut and was digging the ground. The king asked him the 3 questions but received no reply. Or you can say, students, that जब राजा को, उस बादशाह को अपने 3 सवालों का जवाब कहीं नहीं मिला तो वो परेशान हो गया, और परेशान होकर उसने ये फ़ैसला करा, जिस साधु के बारे में उसने सुना था कि वो उसकी किंगडम का बहुत समझदार, बहुत काबिल और अक्लमंद साधु है, उसके पास जाने का उसने फ़ैसला किया। और उससे उसने चाहा कि मुझे अपनी इन 3 सवालों के सही जवाब मिले। इसी उम्मीद के साथ वो उसके जंगल में साधु के ठिकाने की तरफ निकल पड़ा। साधु एक सीधी सादी झोपड़ी में रहता था, और बादशाह ने भी सीधे सादे कपड़े पहने, अपने जो हॉर्स वगैरह था उसको पीछे छोड़ा, अपने बॉडीगार्ड्स को पीछे छोड़ा, और अपने सवालों का जवाब ढूंढता हुआ उस hermit के पास पहुंच गया. So class, that's it for now. I'll continue my lecture, my explanation in my next lecture.